Y'all, I am super excited. I got home today and look what was at my front door. Many of you may know that I have partnered with MadApron, and you have to go to MadApron.com to learn everything and all the exciting things we're doing. But basically, you can be a member of MadApron and you'll get a box like this. And of course, you can cook along with me. So I'm gonna open it up. I can't wait. We've been working on this project, y'all, for quite some time, and we are finally there. So I'm gonna open it up. You guys are with me for the very first time of seeing what our ingredients kit looks like. Okay, here we go. Oh man, they've got it packed beautifully. I'm gonna pull this out. Looks like it's still cold. Really cool. Oh my God. So what we have is some fresh pork chops, some cilantro, pineapples. Oh my God, and I know what recipe this is. This is my pineapple salsa recipe. And we've got garlic and shallots. We got olive oil. So what we have, y'all, and a couple of MadApron waters while we cook. What we have is all the ingredients to make my grilled pineapple and salsa. So the only thing you will need is to go to MadApron, click onto my video, and cook right along with me. And then you too will be making Pat's pineapple grilled pork chops and salsa. So it's really cool. It's packed beautifully. It was still cold. And all we have to do now is just take our iPhone or our iPad, sit it up on the counter, and you guys can watch my video with the same ingredients and cook the dish. Pretty cool. You guys make sure you go to MadApron.com, subscribe, and you can catch all my delicious recipes. Order it. It comes just like this, and cook with me. Super cool. I'm very excited. I think I'm making pineapple salsa grilled pork chops this evening for dinner.